Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is the day that I need to go ahead and close out my budget for the first paycheck in January, and we also need to see what's left in our wallet. So I have switched wallets again. I needed something maybe a little bit more compact, so I created me some little dividers to go inside my wallet. And then I just put the money in front. So this is what we have left for the week. I really didn't do a lot of spending or a lot of anything because I just got back to work. So I've been really busy. But in allowance, we have 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, and 23. In eating out, of course, we don't have anything. In fuel, we have 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, and 51. In household, we have our 15. And then in groceries, we have 50, 70, 90, 95, 100, 1, 2, 3, and 104. And then in miscellaneous, we didn't spend anything. So we have our 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then I took medication out of my wallet, and I'm just going to keep it in my sinking funds because I do not use it as frequently. I only use it once a month. So there's no point in keeping it in my wallet. And I use my credit card anyways, so then I can just unstuff it and pay myself back. So we have a total of 198 for our rollover. So let me move my cash tray to the side. And then we are going to finalize my paycheck budget. So our rollover is a 198. For my full-time paycheck, I ended up getting $887.20, which that is $78 more than I planned for. And then in my part-time, I ended up getting $880.93. So that is $30 more than I planned for. Still have the $300 for my children, so that didn't change. And then of course the rollover is an extra $198. Okay, so our total so this check we're working with $2,257.13, which that is a difference of $307.13. Okay. So for my internet, I did get my bill. Y'all, I have not called the other company. I'm being lazy. I really need to get that done this week. So this bill is going up to $100 and it's due on the 21st. So I need to call them or the new company tomorrow to see if they can get me set up before this comes out. Because if so, then my new bill will be $60 instead of $100. And I really need to get on that. Cell phone is going to be $92. Our iCloud is $299. And then I am going to write, oh no, it's over there. I thought I forgot to write it. Okay, so that is $194.99. So in case I'm still being lazy and I don't switch over my internet, I've already planned for the $100 so it doesn't mess up my bill money in my bill account. So then our remaining is $2,062.14. Okay, so then therapy, this paycheck, since it is a smaller paycheck, I'm only going to do 60. Our cruise payment is $320, which now I say cruise payment, but in actuality, it's my children and myself paying myself back for the flights that I've purchased. Our our Discover credit card payment, I am going to do 200. And then here's where I'm a little bit of change. I'm going to see if I stuff my wallet every week, if that helps me a little bit better than the 2 weeks. I don't know. We're going to see. So groceries, I'm going to up it to 180 so I can divide it by 2 and just do 90 a week. Home is going to be 20. Fuel will still remain 160. Spending will still remain 50. I am going to bump eating out up to 60, so that'll be 30 a week. And miscellaneous will be 10 because that'll be 5 a week. And then our medication for this check, we're doing 20. And then our buffer is 10. So our total for this section is I feel like I've done something wrong. Okay, 60, 320. Maybe it is that much. Oh, okay, it is. So 1,090. And then I'm going to subtract that from 2,062.14. So that gives me $972.14 that we're going to roll down here. And then for our home maintenance, which is automatic, we're going to do 75. For our ally, we're going to do 10. This check, I am doing $450 for my sinking funds. I'm going to divide that in half, and I'm going to stuff $225 this week and next week. Now, this won't always be the same, but it just depends on our rollover money. And I don't even know if I'm stuffing every week how I'm going to do that, but we'll figure that out. Our savings challenges is going to be 157. I've added several different savings challenges, and I'll have a different setup. I'm still trying to work out the kinks there if I can even fit it in my schedule to film it, but we'll see. Maybe I'll do some practice filming of me playing the games and doing all that and see if I like how it turns out, if I will upload it or not. And then our cruise savings, we're going to do 280. Let's see what that is. So we have 75, 10, 450. Okay, so that gives us a total of $972, which then means 14 cents will just sit in the account. So it will be an added little buffer. Okay, so that is our plan for our paycheck. So, and I did start, I haven't checked these off. I've started including my spending on my calendar so that I can kind of visually see the days and where I'm spending money. And last week, clearly, I was out here living my best life because I was spending every day. But I am trying to reach 10 no spend days this month. And right now I have four of them. So hopefully I can have a couple more no spend days. I'm not sure about next Tuesday, as that is my birthday. I am taking off this day. I've already bought myself my gift. So the money I have in my sinking funds will go towards that to pay my credit card back. But I already have that. And so we are good to go there. Okay. So this is all that I have for you guys. It was short. It was quick. It was sweet. And I will see you in my next video. If you like this type of content and you want to see more, hit that subscribe button and I will see you in my next video.